Hey guys, what is up? John Kermani back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Now, this is Samsung's answer to the AirPods Pro. It's their first true wireless headset since the AirPods Pro came out, and it retails for $149. I personally bought these at Samsung.com, but you can get them from Amazon, Best Buy, or your local carrier as well. Now, we're going to be opening them and setting them up and basically seeing what they're all about. This is not my full review. It's just an unboxing, first impressions, that kind of thing. I'll set it up with my phone and show you and kind of go through that. And this is the black, and again, it was $149. So let's get started. Now, before I go ahead, I just wanted to let you guys know that I've had a lot of work in the past few months, so it's kind of been hard to pump videos out on a daily basis, weekly basis, or even monthly basis if you look at it that way. But I'm back, and the Galaxy S20 Ultra is going to be in the house tomorrow, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing for that. We're going to do AirPods Pro versus Galaxy Buds Plus. We're going to look at the Galaxy S10 Plus 1 year later. So we've got a lot of videos lined up for this coming month, and hopefully you guys like, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. So Galaxy Buds Plus. Now let's turn these around and see what's on the back. Let's see. Okay, so they have 11 hours of playtime. Now, 11 hours in the buds, 11 hours in the case for a total time of 22 hours. Just 2 hours shy of the AirPods, but the AirPods are 19 hours in the case and about 4.5 to 5 in the actual AirPods. So I would count this as a win for the Galaxy Buds Plus. They have two-way speakers for rich sound. Now, this is an upgrade from last year. They have two separate units for bass and treble, highs and lows. Last year was just one unit, and a lot of people complained that the Galaxy Buds, the original ones, the predecessor to these, were too bass heavy, and hopefully that's fixed this time around. Triple mics for clear voice call. Now, last year this was another concern. There was one mic on the outside, one mic on the inside, and Samsung hoped that that would get you really good voice call quality, but it didn't turn out in their favor, and the voice calls on the Galaxy Buds Plus were absolutely terrible. The Galaxy Buds. So hopefully the Galaxy Buds Plus fix that. And of course, they can charge wirelessly. Let's zoom back out and let's get these unboxed. Now I'm using X-Acto knife. Let's see. Yep, and raw. Okay, it's time for the big moment. Let's see. Let's put this to the side and let's open the Galaxy Buds Plus. Oh, it didn't kind of stuck together. Okay, there, got it open. So right up front and center is the Galaxy Buds Plus, and there's a little box down here. So let's put these to the side and see what else we get in the box. Put those right there, and we open this. Let's open this thing up. Now, I assume these are ear tips and charger, and I was correct. So let's see, can we get these out? Yes, so this is a charger. This is a charger right here, and these are ear tips. Now, I'm not going to be using them, so I don't really need to take them out of the box. I've got a wireless charger ready to go for these Galaxy Buds Plus. So let me just put this back into the box, and let's close that box up, put it to the side. Now, here's the star of the show, the actual Galaxy Buds Plus. Let's take this layer off, and here we have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. These are in black. It says right there, Samsung, sound by AKG. Now, I kind of like how AirPods do it because they're simple. They don't have any branding on them, but this is okay. And inside, oh, wow, they actually really fixed this hinge. Last year, one of my biggest complaints was that the hinge wasn't really that high quality, but that's a lot better now. And they have this text on the bottom, green and light indicator out there to see when it's charging, when it's fully charged, when it's dead, whatnot. And here are the actual buds. And as you can see, right, with the gold charging pins, and this one's the left one, gold charging pins, black ear tips. Okay, all good. So overall, good first impressions. They do look a lot more premium than last year, mostly because they made them glossy instead of matte. I mean, matte is more practical. Glossy looks higher quality. And I do have the AirPods Pro over here. Now, this is not the comparison video, but I will be bringing to you guys a comparison video between these two. This one retails for $250. This is $150. So you do save $100. But again, we'll get into the rest of it in another video. Just letting you know, I do have both of them. And let's divert our attention back to the Galaxy Buds Plus. Yeah, I'm very impressed with these just by the looks of them. They look very, very nice. So let's put them to the side, and I'll get my phone over here so that we can set them up. Let's see. And I want to see how the setup process works. So we have the phone right here, and I'm going to go ahead and open them and see if they auto connect like AirPods do. So I just opened them right here next to the phone, and let's see. Oh, and there they popped up. They even got a little animation right there, just like AirPods. A new device has been detected. The device's information will be synced with the SmartThings server so you can connect easily in the future. Sounds good to me. Let's see. Allow all the time, allow. Okay, so it's not as seamless as the Apple AirPods experience, but still pretty good. I mean, compared to some other competing products. Setting up your phone. Let's see, 60%. Just waiting on this to get done. See what happens. Just open these back up. Put them right there. Oh, and they have a nice animation right there. That's nice. And I can set the volume on. Okay, so it's already basically all connected. It's just asking me for the basic permissions and whatnot. Report diagnostic info, why not? Stay in touch with your surroundings, ambient sound. So it's basically giving me a tutorial. We'll go ahead and skip that because I basically know how to use it already. And you're all set. That was actually not bad at all. It says a new version of the software for your earbuds. Here, let me zoom in. A new version of the software for your earbuds is ready to download. View update. Let's view that update. And basically, let's see. Improve system stability and reliability. You won't be able to use your earbuds while installing the update. Well, we'll do this later. Let's see what kind of options we have over here. So basically, unlike last year, we can now see each individual bud's battery life, the case's battery life. There's the update GUI right over here. We can turn ambient sound on, take it higher if we want. And basically what it'll do is it'll bring in outside noises into my ears so I can walk around with the buds and still hear my surroundings. Like if I'm crossing the street, I don't want to get run over. So that's pretty good. And I can change the volume. I like that, like the ambient sound level. I really do like that. Equalizer. So they have normal, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, treble boost. Last year they didn't have a normal, and the look of the GUI was not as intuitive. I do like the dynamic settings, so I'm going to put them on those. But again, my full review will go through each one of these and compare and contrast each one. Notifications. Let's see what's over here. So you can get the option of reading your notification aloud while you're using the phone. Like if I get a message, I would want them, the Galaxy Buds Plus, to read me my messages, and you can choose which apps you want notifications from. Right now, I haven't gotten any notifications on here, so it won't let me select it. Let's keep going. The touchpad. Let's see what type of options you have. You can tap, you can double tap, you can triple tap, you can touch and hold, and you can lock it if you don't want to be fussing around with that all the time. And you can basically set each side for touch and hold, and you can change the touch and hold functionality for each side, which I do like. Let's see, advanced. Use ambient sound during calls. I would want that. I would want to hear my surroundings even if I'm on a call. That's one feature in advanced. Let's keep going. And besides that, you have a Find My Earbuds option. I already know what that does. It's just going to locate your earbuds by playing a little sound out of them if you lose them. In general settings, let's see what's in general settings. And reset earbuds. Okay. That's kind of self-explanatory. Let's see. There's a software update, as we talked about before. In Labs, there's a gaming mode. It'll basically minimize audio delay for vivid synchronized gaming sound. That sounds good to me. What else? That's about it in the app, but I do have to note it does look a lot better than the Galaxy Buds app, like the interface for the previous Galaxy Buds. So yeah, these are your options. You get your battery life, you get ambient sound, notification, customization. There's a lot of options here. All good. Everything is improved from last year. And basically, I'll be doing a full review on these, comparing them to AirPods Pro. And yeah, I mean, that's the setup process. They were nice enough to give different size tips and give a charger and all that, which is good. Um, and basically, yeah. So Galaxy Buds Plus. Stay tuned for the full review. Like, share, subscribe. And this has been John Kermani, and I am out.